How to recover TikTok streak. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can recover TikTok streak. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, in case if you have lost any streak on TikTok application and would like to recover that, so for that you have to contact to the customer service of TikTok. So to do that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From this pop-up box, tap on settings and privacy. Here, scroll all the way down and under support and about, tap on report a problem. Now, you can direct chat with the TikTok support center. For that, scroll all the way down again and then tap on chat with us. Now, once you land on this page, you can direct chat with TikTok help desk. You can provide a valid reason saying that due to the reason you have lost your TikTok streak and would like to recover it back. Once you have sent the message to TikTok help desk, it's gonna reply you with a solution. So follow the instructions to recover your streak. But if that's not the case, sometimes due to any glitches in the application, you might be facing that problem. So to fix that, what you have to do is navigate to the TikTok and tap on hold on it. Now tap on app info. Once you're under app info, scroll down and then tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove all the glitches and bugs from the application, which might help you to solve your problem. Now, the next option is to check for the update. So for that, tap on or search for the Play Store, and in the search bar, type in TikTok. And if there is any pending update in the application, so you will have the update option where I have opened. Tap on update. Once the application is updated, your problem might get solved. So these are all the tips that will help you to recover your TikTok streak. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.